This is quite a cool one as well. This is a simple flip on a Cosmopolitan, a ginger Cosmo, if you want to call it that. So we are going in a martini glass. Again, I'm going to use a martini instead of like a coupe glass for this. So there we go. We're just going to ice that up, chill it down, leave that to one side. Very, very simple. 50 ml of Bacardi Ginger. So much like a traditional Cosmopolitan, swapping that out for, or swapping the vodka out for that. Okay, so 50. I'm going to go 1.5 ml of lime juice. 15. There we go. Then you need your orange liqueur. I sometimes, when I'm on events, I might use triple sec. I might use dry orange curacao because that's actually really, really nice. But as I've got some lying around here, I've just got a little bottle of Cointreau. So I'm going 1.5 ml of Cointreau, 15. There we go, 15 ml of Cointreau. And then the last ingredient, as with any Cosmopolitan, is the cranberry juice. It's just supermarket owned. It's their fresh sort of cranberry juice. They're really lovely, these. I'll go through a lot of these from Tesco's. Just going 50 ml, okay? 50 ml, and that's all you want. So a quick recap: 50, 50, 15, 15, 15, 15, 50, 50. That simple, okay? Really that simple. We're just going to shake it. So again, shake it for about 10 to 12 seconds. There we go. So that's nice and chilled down. There we go. Just get rid of that, pop that to one side. Get rid of your crushed ice out of your martini glass. Again, Cosmopolitan, I'm going to fine strain, double strain this. There we go. Bit left in the shaker for me. I'm used to that size martini glass. I haven't used that little one for ages. Oh, there we go. Then just to garnish, orange zest. Just going to squeeze that over there. Get rid of the oils. And there you go. Cosmopolitans should be nice and pink in colour, not these vibrant reds. That means you've got too much cranberry juice in there. It's essentially a bit of cranberry juice with base spirit. Oh, cranberry ginger. Again, that works a treat.